Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Jake the dog from Adventure Time. So first we're going to get started with our nose on a diagonal, and we're going to start by drawing in an oval in the middle. On both sides of this now, we're going to curve this line around and then down towards the bottom. Now from the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line all the way around and then in towards the middle. And then we're going to move down on the right and replicate that. For the mouth, starting on the top, let's arch this line across on the right. Moving underneath for the teeth, we're going to draw in 3 arch lines as we come across. Moving in towards the bottom now, let's draw in another arch line, bringing that up on the side. And then for our tongue, we're just going to curve this line over. For the right eye, we're going to draw in a nice big half circle, curving this all the way around and then back in on the bottom. And then as we come in towards the top, let's replicate that again. Now on the left-hand side in the center, let's curve this line out. Starting on the top, let's arch this line up and over. And now on the bottom, we're just going to curve this line back up towards the top. To the left of this, we're going to draw in the letter U. Let's move underneath and draw on our hands now. So starting in the middle, we're going to curve this line up and then in. For our center finger, we're going to curve this line back down. And then again, moving underneath, we're going to arch this line around, up, and then over. Moving underneath this now, we're going to curve this line up, around, and then down. And then coming underneath, let's curve this line around and then back up. Let's close off the side of the body now. So we're going to curve this line around and then down, ending that at the same height. And then now from here, closing off our right arm, we're just going to attach these together by arching these around and then back in. Let's move underneath now, starting back on that line, curving this line around and then in underneath our eye. And then now from here, let's draw in 3 arch lines as we come across. And then now continuing our arm up on the left, we're just going to draw in a curved line that arches out. And then on the bottom, just curving that up towards the top. Let's draw on the body now. So on the top, we're going to curve this line around and then down on the left. And now starting back on this line, again, we're going to continue to curve this around and in. For the left leg, we're going to arch this line down towards the bottom. And then stepping across again, let's replicate that. Now for the bottom of the body, we're going to arch this line around and then up. Now let's draw on our left foot. So we're going to curve this line around and then back in on our back line. And then for the right leg, we're just going to curve this further out and in towards the center. And then stepping across, let's replicate that one more time. Now moving down, we're going to arch this line around and then back up. And then lastly, let's draw in our tail. So we're going to arch this line out to the left. And now starting back on this line, curving this line in towards the side. And that is it. That's how you draw Jake the dog from Adventure Time. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.